You were made for such a time as this.
Amen.
That's true for everyone there. And as Pope Benedict said, that you are willed. We were willed by God to be born and to live in this time. And really, the only joy is to follow Jesus. That's the only joy available in this life. Everything else comes down to nothing. In fact, everything else becomes counterproductive, actually less than nothing. And so we need to follow the Lord as individuals and as a church. That's where our joy is. We have to jump on the horse and ride. So we're living in a time of saints. This is the time, if you want to become a saint, this is the time to do it. This is the time to become courageous. And again, there's no joy in being wimpy. St. Paul says that God did not give us a spirit of timidity. No, we have a spirit of courage, a spirit of a sound mind.